ki khubor ka bate si TV rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nem ya ga jing shakri ga jongka baden ais ngo bhasha Baroh kinong thi thuk thuk ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali gi laptop kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 pusau
Tnat PWD Road kala penkre ya ka detail project report ban Maramot ya ki Surok ki badan hakeleng ke Shillong. Usembun menteri rang ba Tnat penroisor uba singa balangdhar ha ka jekran bakilat pathai kubor ha ka spautrek unailur ajar psau ulai thu baki don katukan nitli Surok baladap Maramot bat shen Tnat PWD bat Tnat penroisor kinsa syong jelang ban ya keren sani halor kane.
New DPR is already on the way, all around this Shillong city. So I have to complete. Actually, not from urban, it's from PWD. A few of them is already there, few of them is already repaired, and now we already had a joint meeting last month. It's in PWD urban together. We have already decided in the meeting. Now PWD prepared a big DPR to resurface almost all the main road in the cities to resurface with a good road. You know, sometimes when PWD should construct the road, PHEs to dig the road, it's always there. But we are trying to maintain all the repair. Especially maybe yes, now there is few potholes and we cannot repair it now because of rainy seasons. As soon as the rain stops, we will resurface even all the potholes.